folks. Just a quick little tip for anybody who's a artist that wants to make stuff out there. You know those spinny, what do you call them? Wind chimes? Well, I want to make some, but I haven't bought any of these yet. Little things. I bought the, I forget what they're called, those other kind of bearings, but apparently you can make wind chimes with these things by popping a little hole and welding shit on it. So I thought, since I'm taking apart a motor, and this was the motor shaft that was on here, this was in here somehow, pressed in there, it was this way, and this was on there, I figured maybe I should save the bearings and go online, because I'm pretty sure I seen a video online where the guy used bearings to make wind chimes, and well, if you get free little bearings, I know they're not, like, bearings aren't expensive, they're not the most, like, I mean, they're not the, this one's gonna put a dent in it, well, but anyway, it's good if you want to make those things with the things spinning around. It's a good thing. Plus, who knows? You might need a little bearing like this with a nice little dent in it. Just a little tip. I save these because that's my eventual plan when I'm done with a lot of this shit and have some time. I'm going to try making one of those little, what are they called? I don't know what they're called. It's some kind of weird wind thing. So, anyway, I'm going to come back, clean this up later, and I'm done for tonight. Clean up the mess tomorrow. Make a super clean video, and anyway, take care. Thanks for watching, and toodles.